BunnyFlow only gives you a 3-day free trial, and after that, you have to pay. But what if I told you there's another method to use Veo 3.1 almost unlimited for free? In this video, I'll show you exactly how people are creating AI videos without wasting money. What's up, guys? Welcome back. If you're trying to create cinematic AI videos using Veo 3.1 but don't want expensive subscriptions, this method is going to help you a lot. And no, this is not BunnyFlow. The problem with BunnyFlow is simple. You only get a limited free trial for around 3 days, and after that, your generation credits disappear very quickly. For creators making YouTube Shorts, TikToks, or cinematic AI content every day, that's not enough, especially if you're testing prompts again and again. So here's the better method. Instead of depending only on BunnyFlow, you can use this alternative workflow to access Veo 3.1 much longer and more efficiently. The biggest advantage is flexibility. You can test prompts, improve outputs, and create more content without constantly worrying about trial limits. This is especially useful for AI creators, faceless YouTube channels, and short-form content creators. The secret is combining the right platform with optimized prompts. Most people waste credits because their prompts are weak, but if your prompts are structured correctly, you get cinematic results much faster. This is a smarter alternative method that most beginners still don't know about. Here's a pro tip. Always describe camera movement, lighting, emotions, and environment in your prompts. That alone can make your Veo 3.1 videos look 10 times more professional. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe because I'm going to share more AI tools, Veo prompts, and free methods like this. Comment Veo if you want a full tutorial on advanced cinematic prompts. See you in the next video.